Abdullah Maroof, and I'm here to tell you an unforgettable bike trip. As I belong to Kashmir, I am taste of traveling. I love traveling. So one day I was sitting with my friends and we decided to explore some new areas, some new kilas in our area. As we live near to LOC, so this is very dangerous and very risky, but we are very excited to explore these things. So we decided for the time for departure is 4 p.m. The main reason for deciding this time, as we are not allowed to go there in daytime because of many restrictions for army. So we started our journey 4 p.m. in the evening. After traveling of 2 to 3 hours, we reached there. The name of Qila was Qila Bagh, sir. It was very beautiful place. The main reason of exploring this Qila is we can see Indian people was in very clearly from that place, and even I can see two different cities of India from there. So this is very excited and emotional for us to go there. After taking some rest, we started making tikka as we are already equipments and foods. Making tikka in front of at that place at that time in front of LOC in front of India, it was very excited for us and emotional for us. So we enjoyed a lot from there. Uh, After some time, we decided to go back because it was late night. One thing that I want to.
Okay, overall it's good, and the body language you're demonstrating, that is good. There were some grammatical mistakes like this exciting. So you said it was excited for us, it was exciting for us, and some similar type of mistakes, but overall it's good. And you were using the word killa, for that you should use the word for. You're using the word tikka, for that you can use barbecue, right? English words, barbecue, tikka. Tikka. Good job, very nice.